pinangaranas sa amin ni Ate Esther.
No one else can take this away, and only you can bring out all the best I can do. Turn the tide, make the current move inside. Push me off when I'm about to give up. By my side, no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can help but show. When the sun appears apart, it's a madness lost. It's your smile, what makes me instantly. Those sweet lies that stay with me and makes me sick. I want you to go away, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. Changes everything you say when I know I got you with me. Push me out when I'm about to give up. My side, but no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can never show. The break is hard and tears apart. Suddenly the madness starts. Your smile, your face, your lips, their lips. Those sweet little eyes that stare at me and makes me say, I want you to run away, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you say when I know I got you with me.
Yes. Ano po ang question, sir? Meron po ba?
Birthday po.
Birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, ah.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
Ano
birthday.
pong pangalan ni sir?
Edwin.
Edison. Edison.
Many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And once again, we would like to greet a happy birthday to Sir Edwin. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Gabi na siya, guys. Guys, tapos na kaming kumain, guys. Tapos nang kumain, babay na crowd na. Merong free sa bridge. Free sa bridge.
Maganda nyo lang yun, sir.
Meron kami, nilagyan kami free. Pag pala kumain dito, guys, free, pupunta ka dyan.
Mahulog mahal, ah. Mahal, baka mahulog yan, ah.
Naiiyak ako. Ha? Hindi, pati rito sa bridge. Museum first. Mahal! Museum first. Mari, ah. Mahal! Mahal! Asawa ko talaga. Museum first before hanging bridge. Museum first before hanging bridge. Okay guys, pag kumain kayo, ayan, tatatakan kayo. Then free na kayo sa, ano, pero dito daw muna sa museum. Kaya nga, ako muna. Ako muna, sabi. Hindi.
Oo, ano ito? Roman helmet excavate from the Agusan del Sur. Oh, yan guys. Chinese trader ceramics funerary figurine of a female attendant in dynasty. Blah, blah, blah. Great white shark. Wow. Museum ka muna, guys. Pag pupunta ka dito sa Cloud9, mag-hanging bridge, punta ka ng hanging bridge. May dadaanan kayong, ayan, mga Sir Rizal. Okay, go. Thank you. Guys, ayan at ayan at ayan yung mga Chinese treasure bronze, a pair of Chinese Indo-Japanese, yung mga gamit to o mga
Nung kapanahon na ng araw, ano?
Indo-Japanese yan pala yung mga ano nila ito yung mga parang Thailand o Chinese. Yung mga Buddha, guys. Ayan. Ayan, guys.
Tagal na pala. Itong club na yun pala. Matagal na. Itong club na yun. No?
We are not receiving us however some. We will try, guys, sa hanging bridge. Ay, nakakatakot yan. At least gabi. Hindi mahal pag gabi, hindi masyadong hindi masyadong nakakatakot kasi gabi. Oh, si Jose Rizal.
Jose Rizal?
Oh, ayan o, si Jose Rizal.
Ito si Jose
He who
Rizal.
does not know to look back.
Ito si Jose Rizal at saka ito.
Kaya nga, look back at where we came from, we'll never get to his destination. To foretell the destiny of a nation, it is necessary to open the book that tells of her past. Ultimo adios. Si Rizal. Si Rizal sa dapitan. Ayan siya, guys. Aray na kayo. Please no vandalism. Hindi na nakakatakot kasi gabi na eh. Hindi mo nakita yung Diyan kami pupunta, guys.
Kaman, hindi pa ka mahal yung ano.
Daan-daan! Mamaya. Teka lang, mamaya umuuga eh.
Ano naman umuga? Nga, masarap eh, umuga eh. Nga, ang ganda eh, umuga eh.
Umuuga. Baka yung cellphone ko'y mahulog.
Likong sa muna yung cellphone.
Teka.
Nakalakad.
Jeep. Hanging bridge, guys. Hanging bridge.
Diretso ko ba?
Teka lang.
Raon, nasalubungin mo na Raon.
Umalik ako. Hindi ko kaya din sa bridge. Ayun, nakakatakot talaga. Feeling ko talaga. Yan, nagdito ako duman sa exit. Sa hanging bridge. Feeling ko naglalakad ako pa rin sa Cloud9. Guys, yung asawa ko nandun na. Ay, iniwanan ako ng mahal ko. Nawala na, nandun agad siya. Mahal! Hindi. Ayun. Wait lang! Kinukuha ng video. Ay, hindi na kita makita. Mahal, hintayin mo ako. Ibibidyo kita. Narito, nasaan ka? Di kita makita. Nandito siya guys, sa taas. Ay! Hindi kita makita. Sige. Pwede naman pala dito dumaan, guys. May pahangin-hangin bridge pa. Grabe, nakakatakot, guys. Ay, ato. Ayan. Pwede naman pala dito. Ayan. Oops. Imimit natin si Mahal. Imimit natin si Mahal sa taas. Dami pa rin. Hi guys. How is it? Nakatakot ka ba? Natakot.
Except ka dyan kasi kaya ko yan eh.
Ayoko. Takot ako, Mahal.
10 minutes
Pero,
lang pala.
so, ganda. Punta tayo sa labas, Mahal. Ito. Dito ka ba, Mahal? Dito tayo. Dito tayo, Mahal. Ay, grabe yung tuhod ko. Ha? Hindi makakaakyat. Matatakot yun. Ayun yata. Hindi ko kinaya. Ayun yata. Talo ko kayo, no? Talo ko kayo. Ang bilis ko lang para sa akin. Ay, hindi sila yan. Hindi si ate.